Have your kids flown the coop? Is your house now just too big for you? After their children leave the home, this is the time that many empty nesters think about downsizing. Maybe you're tired of the upkeep associated with owning a larger home. Are the stairs becoming just too difficult for you to go up and down? Do you want to simplify your living space? Would you like to lower the expenses associated with owning a larger home? These are just some of the issues that I hear from my clients on why they decided it was time to move to a smaller home more suited to their changing needs. Hi, I'm 40-year real estate expert Richard Freedkin, Realtor with eXp Realty. If you live in Algonquin, Illinois 60102, Lake in the Hills, Illinois 60156, or any of the surrounding Northern Illinois areas, and are thinking about moving or downsizing, then this video may be just what you're looking for. You know, over my 40-plus year career, I've helped many clients who've decided to downsize, and I understand the struggles that one goes through when trying to decide whether or not to move forward with the challenge. So far, I've not had anyone regret making the move to a smaller home. I check on my previous clients periodically, and they all seem to be very happy that they made the decision and the move. Let's look at two aspects of home upkeep that you should consider when you're looking at downsizing: the physical aspect and the financial aspect. Home maintenance, utility costs, and cleaning are a big factor when you have a larger home. Even if you do not use certain areas of your home, you must still maintain the systems that serve those areas. For example, if you have two HVAC units, you'll still need to service both units to keep them in good condition. The same thing goes for cleaning. Those unused rooms still get dusty and require some attention. We also have a tendency to hold on to more things if we have lots of extra room. This can become overwhelming as time goes on. Larger homes usually also have larger yards with more landscaping. If lawn maintenance has become a burden, then it might be time to consider moving. Do you enjoy spending weekends working in the flower beds, or do you have other things of interest that you want to pursue in the next phase of your life, as empty nesters do? As for the financial reasons to move, you could possibly have a lower mortgage payment as well as lower homeowners insurance, property taxes, and utilities. The yearly savings might surprise you. Do you have a great deal of equity in your home? The last 2 to 3 years of price increases could have given you the ability to pull out enough equity to possibly purchase a new home for all cash or close to it. Would you like to be mortgage-free or even take the extra equity to pay off outstanding debt? I've had clients do both, pay down the debt and apply a nice down payment to their new home, all in one transaction. Even if you're 10 to 20 years away from retiring, many people like to simplify and downsize in order to prepare for their next phase of life. Downsizing does not mean moving to a tiny house unless that's what you're really aiming for. You can simply be preparing for your next phase of life, which can be very exciting. If you're considering downsizing and just have some questions and want to talk about your options, I'd love to talk with you. Again, this is Richard Freedkin with eXp Realty, and I'd love to be happy to discuss all your options if you're thinking about downsizing. I hope you have a great downsizing day.